Thanks so much for joining us. Can you tell us what was the organic constant currency growth and what is a sustainable growth that you can maintain?
So in this quarter, on a constant currency basis, we grew almost 5% on an organic basis. Obviously, the depreciation of the pound had a different result in terms of rupee. And the rest was contributed, out of the 40-odd%, the rest was contributed by inorganic, which was the Mastek acquisition.
And what was the impact of that Mastek acquisition on your margins?
So this quarter, the taste margins were not as good as the organic margins because of the H1 pressures that we had to get a lot of visas done this quarter. But overall, we expect the taste performance in terms of margins to be similar or better than the Mastek organic margins.
So what's the outlook looking like for FY18?
Overall, as a company, we're pretty positive. I think the momentum is there. Taste is growing and our own organic business is growing. So we should see good results. We want to sustain whatever momentum we have and do better next year.
Okay, well, while TES has helped you diversify, UK government contracts are still contributing a goodish bit of your revenues. Apart from currency, will there be any Brexit-linked impact?
Not really. I think even government is a significant portion of our business in the UK. And we have seen government spending continue. In fact, it's going to strengthen. Obviously, with the latest elections being called, there'll be a period of parda where no decisions will happen. But overall, we are very positive about the business and the economic climate in the UK.
So this parda, as you call it, or the freeze period, when will this take place?
So there won't be any decision-making freeze for Brexit, but just before an election, there is what they call as a parda period. So no new decisions. Obviously, the old government doesn't want to take any decisions till the elections happen. So that, I think, will kick in the next 6 to 8 weeks. And I think for a period of 3 to 4 months, we will have a period where no new decisions are happening. But existing programs, existing initiatives will continue.
So does the parda make for a soft Q1 and Q2 than usual?
Not really, because we have a pipeline which has built up over the last 2 quarters. So we should be able to see decent growth.
Okay, Mr. Ram, thanks so much for joining us. Decent growth, steady showing over there, and the stock was already up.